My people don't fly when they pursue your partner and look for studio because the way they fly, they work high. We ask our guests, maybe our guests, maybe like personal assistants, you know.
Be the fly.
Yes. Una welcome back.
Una welcome back.
For the late night show.
For the late night show.
With
Obi. Skimpy.
Martins.
Skimpy.
Una welcome back for the late night show with Obi Martins and Skimpylicious Skimpy. Yes. Now at the time, we will call People's Parliament.
Okay.
And we tell them and say, for us to reach this level, for this segment, our guest will take oath. Man, no worry. I never know one yet. I mean, before we go on break, we tell them and say, background for Nollywood. Ibon, background. Now one show now. And our guest don't sit down. And this our guest, my guy. Now my guy. Our co-worker for here. I'm not saying our co-worker. Now God for this place safe. So I say, you today, you must come here. You know what come? I say you must come. Because I'm waiting on Nollywood Wednesday for the late night show with Obi Martins and Skimpy. This our guest. He win Big Brother Nigeria for 2007. 6. For 2006. You know, say don't say old agent they come. Skimpy take note. Old agent they come for me. As the winner finish, they lock the house. They give her the key. Say anytime you're ready, you can open the house. Say anytime you're ready, open. They don't show him already. Producer, why you come up? Why you not let me kill this suspense, producer? Yeah? You just don't show him. I bet wanna welcome Katung Aduwak. Get pleasy. Eba.
The bottles are popping, it's nothing, we killing the money.
Give me about this, give me saba for me. I want to have you.
You say that you're born in the scoreline is goodness.
I want to talk about
money.
I want to have my guy.
You go to send a bull leg, everything is in rubber. Mr. Pharmacist, me and Prosino. As a Christian, how much represent? Christian Louboutin, and Christian New York. All these small boys, what Shakara. All of them are faking. I got money, you know, yeah. Nigga, I'm being kicking. Let the money for back and never get it to fly. Now we be that.
Easy. Killer.
Thank you.
Yes, so.
Thank you. Wait, then they help me. You let them help me finish first. You won't cut the alien. Skimpy Lala. Like beauty models.
Skimpy Lala.
Yeah.
It's an honor to be in your presence.
Oh, wow.
No Skimpy.
Mention it.
Skimpy.
All the bad belly people.
It's an honor
when
to
they
be
follow
in your
me.
presence.
Wait till say they're yellow. Cartoon, now they talk. Skimpy, you hear that part?
Skimpy, you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Glamorous.
Oh, wow.
Wear them.
Oh,
Their father.
Where them they? Who them be? Make them come.
No say you get how you talk now. You come up for this set.
Hey,
I don't know, maybe you just call say
that foul Peking.
Yes.
That foul Peking.
Yeah.
We go not fake carry.
Hey.
We don't come back to fight eagle.
Yes.
We don't turn eagle.
Yes.
We now they carry foul.
Hey.
Hey. That foul Peking.
Where?
Where?
They are fire. In the air, foul Peking with eagle. No fit carry when it's small. They really beautiful. You won't skip apology. You are apology for lying to her. Forget. You are apology. He say be mother.
Obi Mati, I know they talk too much. I know they talk too much. Empty barrel now they shout. I don't tell you this thing before. I will still tell you again. I don't talk too much. When I drop one thing, bam. You know, say person when no get something, now they lakaya, now they tatafo, now they talk plenty. But we know the yaskilia. You they get?
We get fish too. I don't want everything in my mouth.
You don't get anything to talk.
No problem. All right, my people who still on the matter and the People's Parliament today, I will not see the guy. Katung Aduwak. That guy we win Big Brother Nigeria 2006 Who then give the key, center in line, make her open the door. And people don't queue 2007, 8 till this time. You know, hungry open the door. Why? We don't know. Abi? So we go ask her here. And not be saying that because people will call her here, him a filmmaker.
Yes.
And he get on food when cool. What you say, man? It thing go blow cinema. Me, I don't see small. We go show on a small, but not be now. He go blow cinema. And nobody will see me. He go blow the whole world. He go blow. He go blow. Even people they bomb, say they'll sit down and watch the film. They'll forget to go bomb. They go sit down and watch film. They'll forget to go bomb. The people they watch the film say they are bombing and go bomb us. You go bomb them. Still on the matter. I'm not talk too much. Big bros, Katung, you're welcome.
I hear.
How market?
We tango the seller.
The seller, abi?
The seller.
Hey, the money don't, that money still remain, abi?
The bottles are popping.
I can play bully over for you. I dey follow you down. This baby, I dey follow you down for nothing. I know how much they give you 2006.
No, that
Did
money.
you God go bless you?
Now that money is still fine.
Where bully over carry stay if you enter club.
No, that one, the one where they give us that in a back pocket.
No what, I don't want to ask you too much thing. You guys see you go do first. Now you go look camera. Look camera. Say put one of your hand up. Put one of your hand up. You go say I. Call your name. I,
Katung director.
Director. Say anything where we ask you for here.
Anything where we ask you for here.
No, anything where we ask me.
Anything where we ask me.
Now the truth, I go talk.
Now the truth, I go talk.
And nothing but the truth.
And nothing but the
If
truth.
I lie,
Make
a naked bath.
Make a naked bath.
If you lie, wear trousers, I sabi you. All right, K Black.
Nice one, Katung. How you take the drum?
I just did do.
How?
Hi.
I just did do.
Skippy. Now this one I will watch for cinema say, how you see the film? Awesome. Awesome.
Yes, because just what I first observe now the picture quality very clear, and then check all the people who show face inside that movie. No be queer people wey know people wey get name. Katung, you be range.
Before.
You don't mad before.
I don't mad before.
Okay, hey. I talk it. Hi.
Because person wey normal, you know say if you dey abnormal, you dey think abnormally. Then you come bring good product, come and say, as you take the think abnormally now where this show, they make sense.
Let me tell you about Madman.
Okay.
Madman are the only person who go walk enter any shop, collect what you want, chop am. They will say, leave I don't mad. You don't get what you want, I be not get. When I join queue, you not join queue.
So that kind of madness you mad.
They come. Madman are the only person who go chop for dustbin like dog, not sick. You go chop am for dustbin, you go sick.
Yes.
Madman are the only person where they waka naked, not send anybody. Where fit, you go see 6-pack die, full everywhere. God's initial intention for man. Madman are the only one who not care where he rest in head. Once he rest time, he will rest.
Make una clap for Katung. The person, the only madman we don't mad before.
No, because before person go know all these things about madman.
You don't mad before.
Now confirm you don't mad though, Katung.
Hey.
I bet scratch for madman easy be scratch for madman.
You don't do that. For example, I say to mad that go hungry you. To mad that go hungry you. You go let's keep the mad make you go mad, and maybe your own if you go mad, no sit kill. What you make Katung mad? You say 2006. He reached to mad. 2006 reached to mad. Just you try.
Thank God.
Don't be say you try. You do away.
Thank God.
Because the first thing we go attract somebody to watch film, that the picture quality.
Yeah.
You know understand?
And he did there, the picture
and
there.
the shot, the way you can't take. Bros, how you take one? As in, no life for us. How you take one?
Which of the shots? You mean the whole film gone?
The whole film, which one won't call, leave one? We don't call one, leave one, huh?
I know I'll tell you lie. The truth is, many talented people fool this country. This will go to Nigeria, many. But the fact says some people were money not day, so they put substandard something. Some people can't just turn the thing to hustle, not love the art of filmmaking. But first, you gotta love the art of filmmaking. You gotta understand what it be. Love one die put. You guys be like doctor when they make film. Every detail. Imagine say pilots with the fly plane. See bed when they come and say forget na bed, pajama, nothing will happen. The bed can go end for the engine. The plane don't crash. So you guys, you're not supposed to just ignore anything. You must love it. You'll carry them for it. They will tell you say they crazy. So only film. Why you gonna spend this kind of money on top? Why you gonna put all this kind of do one. Because if you not doing a lot, you know, see as una don't just set, see as una just be, see as just follow the background. You be like,
see as I be,
see as
Skimpy be.
Now one by one, now one by
No, who
one.
shall be una?
See as Skimpy be.
See,
See as Skimpy be.
because
Now let me dey the set.
the way when I take your rhyme, no matter how una take the true way give, the way when I rhyme join, now the way where they talk say, for film where they do, you gotta love what you do.
That's true.
And if you love them, try to understand them. Try maybe say anybody with the define will go down and you they go find. Maybe you know just be like all those, you know, say get shit where every time they flush toilet, some they go get one where they always remain. Maybe that one will remain after they flush.
All right, bros, you don't talk. I don't say many things the way you want to talk. But the guy what we will show you now. We'll show you for our screen because so many people, like you talk, you must take your time. Do them. No do them like say you just want do them. You go, so if they won't do them again, they'll say that one. When they go find who do them. We won't show you some things now. If we show you finish now, then don't say something good day where you go talk. Our director, I beg, that our movie, this thing, they play one by one for us. All the background them, they play one by one for us. See what you see. See that other person right. View weeks later. If they watch, they look at me, it's a view weeks later.
No be few, na view.
Okay. No, see another one. It is the Gary I drank yesterday night that is still in my stomach. It don't happen. Hey, it is the Gary I drank yesterday night that is still in my stomach. I can only remember that I saw myself here.
Remembered.
Voila, do.
Nice one.
I can only remember that I saw myself here. Are you pregnant?
No, not twins now. Or
Okay, not twins.
Yes,
You
not
make
twins.
brain, you make brain.
All this background must be approval. Are you pregnant? What of if I does it?
Hey.
Our people for house. What of if I does it?
Yes, you does it now be that now.
That's why restrain myself from mans.
Oh man. Every kasala, you go fear English. If English, they cut cap. Katung.
You don't see how
The way when I take come and this so one fee.
we watch our voice pop.
Yes. No forget say yesterday we tell people say make them talk and for good English. Say this simple word, no for my hand, make them talk and for good English. And now this not the people who don't answer the question. Maybe hear waiting then gas talk. But you know as we say they don't say before we show you waiting people talk, we go first ask
our
the
guest.
knowledgeable Katung Aduwak. No for my hand, talk and for good English.
Don't disappoint me.
Don't disappoint me. My own first.
I beg. Producer, play for us, boy. Yeah, I beg.
When I welcome again to the late night show. And I don't enter shit again to chook my microphone for people's mouth and ask them one simple question. May they help me translate. No for my hand to simple English. I hope they don't go for my hand. Where more they go? More go ask them.
The meaning is like, you should never let it go.
Please don't fall my hand.
Don't fall from my hand, though. No fall my hand means don't disappoint me. No fall my hand.
For my hand, you should not disappoint me.
Don't fall my hand.
Don't let me down.
Do not fall into my hand.
I better not fall my hand. Don't fall my hand. You say it like you're speaking English.
Hey, Obi Martin, do not fall into my hand. Because if you fall into my hand, I'ma smash you, I'ma break you, you might die like that. Simple as ABC. Okay, that one na for yesterday and on that year. Waiting people got see on top that level. So not forget to on top how you know the good English of any word of the day where we drop. You go into our Twitter and you go drop and there.
Yes,
and to follow us on top Twitter, they're very simple now at W Late Night Show. On top Twitter at W Late Night Show. On top Facebook and on top Instagram now Wazobia TV NG. And now for tomorrow, word of the day. Talk am for good English. Na my body you dey get power. And that's for you, Obi. So now we dey make una talk am for good English. Na my body you dey get power. Don't forget say we dey talk and say anytime when we drop this word of the day, person will win am because of say we are bigger than, better than, better than. Yes, we get money, recharge card where we dey give them. And for this one, on top our Twitter handle, Timileyin Oyeyemi. Na get am Timileyin Oyeyemi. So may you dey wait because we go send you your recharge card after this show.
Yes,
and on top Facebook, another person. This one name na Godwin Adbonselobo. Na get the answer. There two talk say don't disappoint me. Na be no for my hand. So on top how you know na my body you dey get power for good English. May you enter our Twitter page, go drop am and on top our Facebook.
And you go see everything they show for your screen.
Yes, if they work out for the downstairs of your television, you go see am for there. Yes, yes. Now like this, they say waiting get beginning must to surely get ending. But before we work out come on for here, the fine man and the ugly boy go play Tente to take end the show.
And anybody where we go carry skimpy go out as house again. All right.
Yes. DJ Easy beats. As then they play this Tente, just let me give them beats. Yes, so better country people now here we go close the packaging today. But we go still there at the same time tomorrow to come flex with honor. Tente
yes, so bullion van things.
Money go open down.
The bottles are popping, it's nothing. The bottles are popping, it's nothing. We killing the money with a pizza for coffee. Then we offer condolence. You say that you're born and the scoreline is goalless. Everything we don't close, money go open now. You go to send a bullet. Everything say rubber. Mr. Pharmacist, me and Prosino. As a Christian, I must represent. Christian Louboutin, a Christian New York. All the small boys with your shakara. All of them are faking. I got money, you know, yeah, like nigga, I be kicking. Plenty money for bank, money forget it to buy. Now we be that. All eyes on me, and they feel like it too bad. Anytime I come on, the people like who be that. The niggas when they step in the club, we take bullion van. We take bullion van. We take bullion van. The niggas when they step in the club, we take bullion van. I'm a club with a bullion van. A bullion van. When I'm a gas at TC, I'm feeling like the man. Hop a chop, I come out. When they happen, I sign out some money. Why I know that? Man, I ain't got for Chalopia. I know you don't wanna go there. Too much money to buy you a bed. I don't put all these hip at the set. When I'm pumping something in the air. I know what's it gonna hold on. I'm not being my Nike.